Hi guys, and welcome to another watching video. Today we get to find out the winners of these two beautiful watches. So one of you is going to win the DW-5600BB and the other one is going to win a DW-5600HR. All of you who commented and subscribed on my last video are going to participate in this draw. Now I will do it as usual, meaning that I printed out all your names and placed them into this container. So we're just going to draw two names and see who the lucky winners are. Like I said in my giveaway announcements, the giveaway is international, meaning that I will send the watch anywhere in the world at my own expense, and the only expense you might experience is import duties and taxes, which is something that's sadly out of my hands, so I really cannot influence it. I will mark the watch as a gift, which should help most customs to clear it without you paying anything. But if it happens, it's gonna be your responsibility. So if you're ready and want to find out who the winner is, let's pull out the first name. Now the first name that we pull out is gonna win the BB, the all black model. So let's see who that is gonna be. We'll just shake this a bit more, like so. I'll close my eyes, pull out the first name, like so, and the first name is Luke Albert. Or Luke Albert. I don't know how to read your name. I don't know if the camera is gonna focus or not. That's the winner of the DW-5600BB, so congratulations, Luke. Anyway, I forgot to say, whoever wins this, please contact me via the email that's gonna be in the description with your exact name and address so I can ship the watch as soon as possible, or watches. Okay, so Luke won the DW-5600BB. Let's find out the winner of the second model, the DW-5600HR, which is my personal favorite, and I actually kept one in my collection. I just love the black and red. I'll close my eyes again, shuffle a bit with my hand, and pull out the second winner. The second winner is Fire Simon. Fire Simon. I don't know if the camera again is gonna be able to focus, but there you go. Fire Simon, congratulations, you won the DW-5600HR. So like I said, please guys contact me via the email in the description and I'll send the watches as soon as possible, probably within a couple of days. To the rest of you, thank you for participating and following my channel. Please continue to do so because this is actually I believe third or fourth giveaway so far, and I will be probably doing them every 10,000 subscribers, probably. So stay tuned, better luck next time, and thank you for watching. Bye.